Talking about NSION Technologies, currently we are growing over 40%. The background of NSION Technologies is in 2018. There was a big presidential summit here in Helsinki, Finland. Our national security operators approached us to solve a problem how to securely stream video from drones to the operation center and to different points. We succeeded with this task, set up a new company called NSION Technologies, and this is the road where we are at the moment. Hello, my name is Matti-Pekka Kronqvist and I am the CEO and founder of NSION Technologies, and we come from Finland. When a second is a lifetime, our mission is to provide resource management tools and command and control tools for mission critical operators, especially to enhance your field command operations. So where we come from Tampere, and we're specialized on policing, fire and rescue customers, and especially to provide real-time tools to integrate different joint operation and command and control environments. We provide industry-leading related decision-making platform, provide low-code bridge to secure data sharing, full operation data chain of custody, and legacy system enhancements. This means that when you have invested already in the cameras, you have invested in your hardware kits and your network systems, we can only enhance those operations. And it's a full comprehensive remote control tools for all the nodes, meaning your vehicles, drones, mobile phones, IP cameras, you name it. And the last part is an AI-empowered decision making and monitoring what's happening. It's a software platform, so I want to emphasize that. We provide a software platform that integrates your current command and control systems to your tactical operations and to your movable sensor nodes. We provide REST APIs, and it's an open architecture to integrate your previous done projects. Deployment options are multiple, so you can deploy this depending on your use cases and especially depending on your operational needs. Full software as a service through your national provider, like what we do here in Finland with the national network operator Erillisverkot, or down to the full on-premises that are needed, for example, for intelligence and etc. customers. The application suite is rather wide. So we'll talk about that in the next, and I'm also providing you a demo. Ladies and gentlemen, so it's time to look at our application suite briefly. So we provide tools for our end users and operators to utilize smartphones. So of course, it doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or Android-based device. It can be government off the shelf, or it can be even full embedded systems. What we also do we provide an application suite for flying commercial drones in your tactical operations. This is critical if you have already invested on different drones, like for example DJI, but it also provides the tools for other manufacturers to integrate to the platform. There are multiple ways, and I'm more than happy to express that on that later demonstrations. The last part of the application suite, what it's visible to the end users, is our IoT client that enables you to integrate your current vehicle computers, your command center computers, your vessel computers, your plane or drone computers to this platform. Now, applications provide tactical tools for communications. And that's critical for your daily operations to respond best to your needs and your customer expectations. Now we're coming to the future and looking at how the machine learning tools and AI enabled communication and control tools can enhance your full tactical and strategic decision making. So we are introducing new server structure called NSC3 Valo, and we call a virtual command center operator Sandra. And this is a tool that I'm going to tell you more about once we have the full demonstration capabilities in November. Now we're moving to live demo, and I'm showing you just briefly how the system in simplified user interface operates. This is a brief demonstration of the NSC3 SaaS service platform. So signing in to your organization. So behind this, the whole concept of server is running for multiple different organizations as a scalable platform solution. So we're logging in to a service where you got a video wall desktop, you got the review for history looking, managing your teams and operations, and configuring your desktop application. So we start with choosing the task, and in this case we're just looking at the standard default task. Trying to get the first camera feed in, and we got the office camera here in Tampere, and this is a live live view from our screen here. You can add with different mapping layers, capabilities of running different maps, telling the scale and the connection and the cone of the camera. And going to review what you've been recorded. So we can take a little bit history backwards, and through the history choose, let's say, the past couple of hours, and look what happened this morning, and just press play. Now this is all raw data, and you can manage it on your platform without taking it out. It's all saved in the storage system in your respected cloud environment. On the other side, you have also full control of the nodes. So we can go taking out the pop-ups, show it on a map, but especially you can remote control it. So you need to close the stream. So this is a simple tool that enables for a command and control operator to activate and deactivate, start the stream. We can put the audio control on, so we start audio transmissions. And we can also start live tracking of the device for active tracking. Now that's a standard way of already implemented device. How do you add a device and a camera to the specific task? So with a simplified QR code, so it automatically registers the device into the system, and we can just start streaming, add the device, and now you can see my cameraman through my glasses. A brief demonstrations of the NSC3 Valo server, and this is a demo of recordings done through different devices in yesterday's training event. For operator in a command center, they can automate the alerts, and you can run different neural networks towards these services. Just as an example, you can take a data that it's from tablet and searching for people. This time, it marks the old human elements that it can visualize on its vision. But also, it can be a thermal image. So actually the system that we run, it's not only for daylight cameras, it can be run on analog, digital, for thermal, and multispectrum cameras. Thank you all for watching this presentation, and we're looking forward to give you a full system demonstrations. See you soon.